Who wants some candy? It's candy making time right here before Christmas. I'm going to do some white chocolate, gluten-free pretzels and peanut clusters in the crock pot. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to use. I have a 2-pound package of white almond bark. And I'm just going to put this in my crock pot. Get that in there. And then I have, let's see what size is this. This is an 11-ounce package of white chocolate chips. And that is just going to go right in there. See, we love these dump candy recipes, y'all. They're so simple. And then we have a 4-ounce package of white baking squares. And I'm going to use this whole thing. And last night, I made the regular milk chocolate clusters, and I didn't put any pretzels in those. I'm just going to do those the regular way. And whenever I post this recipe, look how pretty. Oh, they got pretty designs on them. When I post this recipe, I'll also post the chocolate recipe too. But I'm just going to put the lid on this, set it on the kitchen cabinet on low for about an hour, and then I'm going to mix it all up. But I'm going to show you, just in case I forget it after a while, y'all. You know how I am. These pretty little chocolate clusters that I made last night. You can pick up iron skillets at a flea market and get you can get good iron skillets at flea markets for little or nothing. And you can put your little candies in an iron skillet and cover it with a saran wrap, put a bow on it, and then you've given somebody something good for their tummy, and they can make some biscuits and bring you some biscuits over. So that's just one little thing. And also on these, I did some with a little sprinkles, which we'll do on the white chocolate. But on some of them, I put a little bit of sea salt on top. And I know they make a prettier sea salt, and that's fine. I just didn't have any, but I had this and I love it. It's got minerals and stuff, and I just sprinkled a few on there of those. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this plugged in and get it going, and we'll see you back when it's time to put all the crunch in it. So see you back in a little bit. What I've got going on here. I put 1 whole container of dry roasted salted peanuts, and that's about 3 cups or so. And I used a little over 2 cups of gluten-free pretzels. Y'all, these are really good. You can't tell from the regular ones. Excuse me. And they're in long sticks, so I broke them up in about inch long pieces. So what I have here, I have my little cookie sheet with my little baby muffin tins on it. And this doesn't have to be exact, y'all. I'm just going to take my little cookie scoop, so cute, and just put a few, just a good size in each one. Now you could use a spoon if you would like. This cookie scoop is just made a way into my heart. I just love it. It just makes everything a little bit easier. But I want to show you, I have this other little iron skillet. I got it at Walmart, don't tell nobody. But it has these 2 little handles on it. So I'm going to fill these with, let's see if I can do this on without making a big old mess. Woo, probably going to make a big old mess. Whenever they are the little muffins, when you get them full, you can smush them together more so, and they'll hold their size better. Come on. Y'all, that storm got a little bit worried, and of course we're not supposed to worry, not supposed to have a spirit of fear. You gotta tell you that a lot sometimes, don't you? But that tornado, y'all, with the northeast Arkansas, and it hit a nursing home. It hurts my heart. Can't stand it. Can't stand it. So anyway, I'm just not going to think about it. Just going to pray about it. He's going to take care of it. So anyway, we got our little iron skillet there full of some little goodies. And I'm going to, you don't have to work just super fast, because this is not like Divinity that sets up really quickly. You know, you've got some time to play with this. One of the other cute things that you can do with this recipe, you can leave out the pretzels and the peanuts, and you can add pistachios and dried cranberries. And that is just so cute. And it's the colors of Christmas. And so, anyway, I'm just going to keep on my little Lucy and Ethel factory I've got going on here. And I'm going to take some of these little sprinkles. And these will really be cute on here. I'm just going to put a few on each one. There we go. And y'all, whenever I was at the general, you go right there. Yesterday, whenever I went to go get supplies, they had these cute little tins that are just, look at that, y'all, it's a little mailbox, and the little thingamajig works. You could put some candies in here, and it would be so cute with your little tea mug and a little thing of tea, and you can put, wrap your little iron skillet up, and you can make somebody's day and give them a little happy. So I'm just going to continue to do this. Y'all don't want to watch all this. And we'll get back together. Well, we probably won't get back together, but I will show you a finished photograph whenever this is done. Now, this will not be ready to eat tonight because it does need to set up and everything. But the other chocolates are ready to eat, but it's almost bedtime. It's 9:30. And I know not to eat chocolate this late at night. I don't know much in life, but I know that much right there. So anyway, these are really cute little candies. They're really easy to make, obviously, because I turned them off whenever I was trying to see if we need to go down to the storm house or not. So anyway, I hope y'all have a good night. And if the storms are coming through, y'all keep your eyes open. I'm not going to post this. See, today is Friday. I'm not going to post this until one day next week. I'm going to kind of spread these out so they'll kind of be good for Christmas and everything. So anyway, I'll see y'all next time, and y'all sleep well tonight. One more thing, y'all. Sometimes I feel like Columbo whenever he come back in and say one more thing. I want to show you on these little bitty muffin things. It made a whole cookie sheet full. But also, what I wanted to tell y'all, what I remembered, you do not have to put these in the little paper liners. You can have wax paper spread out, and you can put these by spoonfuls on there. And you don't have to have these little liners. But I did run out of little liners, and I wanted to finish up all the rest of this. So what I have, don't you turn over, you behave. So I have just a disposable cake pan here, y'all. And we're just going to get the rest of this goodie off the bottom here, and I'm going to spread it around. And then this, you could give it to someone, wrap it up really pretty. Let's put some pretty things on it. Wrap it up really pretty with some cellophane wrap. You could break this into bars. You could cut it into serving sizes. Y'all, it's just everything is so versatile in life. So anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all that. So let's just put a few more of these pretty ones on top of it. And then we're really going to let y'all go. There we go. Alrighty. Now we are done. I am done. I'm going to clean all this up, and I'm going to go to bed. Calgon, take me away. Isn't that what they used to say? Anyway, y'all have a great night, and I'll see you next time.